All right, so now on daily time frame on GBP/AUD, we see how far GBP/AUD has moved. Okay, we're expecting GBP/AUD to move towards the downside. I mean, to still get to this zone right here. I'm expecting GBP/AUD to get to this level. What I need now is a breakout retest. So if you can retest this level back, we could get GBP/AUD. So back to this level. So I'm looking forward to still sell GBP/AUD. I caught a very good sell here last week. All right, so and I can see the sell is not done yet. So we are bearish. We just broke this closest support, and we're having lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we need a lower high in order for us to catch up with the buy. All right, so now I'll go to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is very clear. Right now price is giving us a sort of curve, so price may come back, may sell back to towards this level here before going further towards the upside. All right, and like I did last week, we have a tentative trend line here that's been pushing price towards the downside. So basically I do love to see let me zoom out on 4 hours to see the zone around that corner. Okay, so we have this level here, to be precise. We have this zone here, and yeah, we have another one around here. Let me mark this. Have this one around here. So, and I think that is what price is reacting to. Okay, then also have another one around here. Have this support around here. So what I expect is, if price couldn't go up as expected, if we cannot go to this our area of interest, then we could see price just drop to just give us a curve like this. Sorry, they just end up giving us a curve like this. So price may end up just coming like this, giving us this. So what I expect now is, first I want to see what will happen here, then I want to also see what will happen here. But obviously I wouldn't lie, the level I would expect price to return to will be this level here. So this is 1 hour time frame, right? I will want to see how price reacts. The best level I want to sell from will be this up here, this level here. That's where I do love to sell from. But all in all, if I couldn't get a sell from that zone, then I would wait for a break out of this zone here and sell towards this level here. So that's what I can see on GBP/AUD. So close below this zone here. What we have here is very minor, yeah, not that serious. Well, I expect price to push. If price can push back towards this upside, this particular zone here, that's where I look forward to sell from. But then let's see what 2 hours is saying. But then we can't just go ahead and start selling right now. We need, if you check it daily time frame, it's very clear on daily time frame. We need that reasonable retest. So these zones here are not that, they're not that strong. They're not that strong. All right. So this is my view on GBP AUD. So GBP AUD becomes a third candle, and let's see, is there anything on Euro AUD? Is Euro AUD done? So Euro AUD is in a consolidation zone right now. I mean, is at a support zone. Let me put it that way. That is support zone right now. So if we can get, yeah, it still has a potential of going towards the downside, actually, on the condition that we break this particular support where it is right now. So if we can get a breakout of this and retest, then we could set towards this level here. So let's check Euro AUD on the weekly time frame to see what we have. Yeah, so now on the weekly time frame, right, this is very, very clear, right? On the weekly time frame, we've been having uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this, what we are having right now is a correction on the weekly time frame, so before we get a continuation. So for this week, I still kind of expect Euro AUD to drop a little bit more, for the fact that we have inverse head and shoulder here. This is the neck for the inverse head and shoulder. Right here is the neck. So we may get a possible retest again, yeah, because we got a retest here before, right? We got a retest here before, and we may just get to see another retest. Okay, and looking at this, you can see this trend line towards the upside. So we get this price pushing down towards this zone. So on Euro AUD, I'm still looking forward to sell. So now going to 4-hour time frame, we saw the zone is currently at, we've been having lower low, lower high, so we need a neon low. We need price to break here to give us a low, then lower high. At that lower high we'll sell. So but this becomes our area of interest right now, so we look forward to getting into a sell around this zone here. If price can break and retest, we should be able to sell towards this downside. All right, that's what I see on Euro AUD. So Euro AUD becomes at first Euro AUD USD, second gold, third GBP AUD, then GBP card. We've not checked GBP card, so the next one is Euro AUD. So now let's check GBP card, which is going to be the 5th one. So I'll just check the 5 top setups that I'm looking to forward to trade this week. GBP card, right? On GBP card, we see let's check weekly time frame. Well, yeah, on GBP card we see price pushing down, right? But this is a very key level of rejection. Price hasn't really got to that level, so we are having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this push on weekly time frame could push could fill up this week a little bit to come down here, but let's see if it is tradable for us, if we have enough gap. But then we see, as we can see, 4-hour time frame, on daily time frame, candle close below this level, and right now we are at a rejection level, okay, where price actually went off from, so meaning we could possibly go up from here as well. There's a high chance price can go up from here as well. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame to see what's happening. So 4-hour time frame, this is what I see on 4-hour time frame. If price can go back up to this level here, if price can go back up to this level here, we may equally get a good sell off towards the downside. Why so? Because daily time frame is very bearish, so we need to retest this zone, or price breaks below here, so anything can happen. So it's either we get a retest back to this zone where we sell from, or we get a break below this level and sell down. So now coming to 1-hour time frame, it is important for us to know that this is what we are looking out for. Price should buy back towards this level here, and probably sell off. So let me check what 2 hours time frame is saying. Let me go out fast. So we got a multiple rejection at this level here. Got a multiple rejection at this level here on daily time frame. See what happened here on daily time, on 4-hour time frame rather, and price gave us a bottom, went up, so we could still go up from here. I'm expecting price to get to this level and give me a reasonable reaction. As well, I have this trend line here, so which price could come back to react to. So that's what my assessment is on this. My outlook is on GBP card. All right, so that's my top 5 setups for the week. Now I'll keep monitoring them to see how they move, how they react, so that I can be able to take advantage. All right, so it's early here in the morning. This is 6 a.m. and I've been up since around 2 a.m. doing a lot of stuff, so I just have to quickly do this outlook, a weekly outlook with you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us thumbs up, and comments, give us good review, ask questions, suggestions on what you want us to improve on, and also the what you want us to, the pairs, probably certain pairs you want us to check through. All right, so that's it Thank you for coming, thank you for viewing, and I would love to see you next time, and look forward to see my videos, look forward to see when I upload, and there is a lot to benefit from me here. All right, thank you so much, and see you in the next one.